Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Visit Japan Web step by step. This is a practical guide for travelers coming to Japan so you can complete airport procedures more smoothly. What is Visit Japan Web? Visit Japan Web is an official online service that helps you complete arrival procedures before landing in Japan. You can use it for immigration, customs declaration, and in some cases, tax-free shopping support. After registration, you will get a QR code to show at the airport. Before you start, before using Visit Japan Web, prepare these items: your passport, flight information, hotel or accommodation address, and an email address. Please make sure your name and passport number match exactly. Also, keep your phone charged so you can show the QR code at the airport. Step 0. Create an account/login. First, go to the Visit Japan Web site. Choose your language, then sign up for a new account if this is your first time. Use your email address, receive the confirmation code, and complete your registration. After that, log in and save your password safely. Step 1. Register user, traveler category. Next, register the traveler. Choose the category for your entry or return procedure. If you are traveling with family members, you can also register each person here. This helps organize all travelers before moving to the next steps. Step 1. Register passport information. Now enter your passport information. You can scan your passport with your phone camera or enter the details manually. If scanning does not work, manual entry is fine. Please double-check all information carefully, especially your passport number and expiration date. Register basic information. After passport registration, enter your current address and other personal details. Some of this information can be reused later in the entry procedure, so it saves time. If you are traveling with family, repeat this step for each person. Step 2. Register entry or return schedule. Now it's time to register your trip schedule. This step is very important because your immigration and customs procedures will be linked to this trip. If your flight or hotel changes later, update the schedule before arrival. Enter trip details. Fill in the required travel information, your arrival date, flight number, and arrival airport, such as Narita, Haneda, or Kansai. Make sure the flight number is correct. This information will be used in later steps. Quote registered entry information. Visit Japan Web can reuse information from your registered trip. If the system shows reusable information, click Quote this entry or return information. This saves time and reduces typing mistakes, especially for your place of stay in Japan. Quote visa information, if applicable. If you need a visa, you can enter your visa issue number and retrieve your visa information. Then click Quote this visa information to use it in the procedure. If you are visa exempt, you may not need this part. Step 3. Fill entry or return procedure. Next, open your registered trip and start filling in the required arrival procedures. This is where you complete the online forms before flying to Japan. Step 3 comes before the final QR code display step. Quarantine and health status. In this section, you may see health-related questions under quarantine guidance. Answer the questions based on your current condition. The system will guide you depending on your answers. Immigration and customs declaration. This is the key part. Complete your immigration clearance and customs declaration. For Japanese nationals or re-entry permit holders, immigration registration may not be required, but customs declaration is still needed. Check everything carefully before submitting. Step 4. Show QR code at the airport. When you arrive in Japan, open Visit Japan Web and select your trip. Show the QR code at immigration and then show or scan it again at customs if requested. It's a good idea to save a screenshot as backup and bring a power bank. Optional, tax-free purchases, eligibility. Visit Japan Web also supports tax-free shopping for eligible travelers. This is mainly for foreign visitors with the correct resident status, such as temporary visitor. To use this feature, your passport must be registered in advance. Tax-free registration. For tax-free use, the system may ask you to scan the landing permission stamp in your passport. Align it with the guide frame and scan carefully. If there is an error, check the message and try again. Display tax-free 2D code. After registration, you can display the tax-free 2D code at participating stores. Please note that screenshots may not be accepted for this tax-free code. In that case, show the live code directly in Visit Japan Web. Final checklist. Before your flight, make sure you have completed everything: account setup, traveler registration, trip schedule, immigration and customs forms, and your QR code. At the airport, keep your passport ready, charge your phone, and follow the signs for immigration and customs. Thank you for watching and have a safe trip to Japan.